Yeah, I'm recording her doing it right now. Yeah, you sticking your face on there, licking it. You gonna be a carpet muncher when you get older? Yeah. She looks like the Scream mask right now. She's got her face on it, stuck her lips. She looks like a portrait now. Your face is gonna get stuck like that. Oh shit. There's drool's coming off her chin and shit. Just Bella, make a different face. This is so fucking funny. Oh shit. Hmm? Mm-hmm.